Hey guys, we're doing a little digging, doing a little leveling, and we're putting in some vego raised garden beds. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're outside today. It started off very brisk, around 20 degrees, and I think we're up into the 30s. But, you know, it's February, so I'm okay with that. Oh, I didn't do a lot of filming today, setting up a tripod, because I noticed a lot of my gardening videos, I'm just doing stuff that I don't think most people are caring much about. But I did want to show you what we got going on. Last video, I removed the wood and all that gook, and I had that. Well, I started measuring, because like I said last time, when I originally built these beds, I don't know, I was in my late 20s, early 30s, like 20 some years ago. I built them what I thought was straight. But then after doing the other beds last year, wow, these guys are crooked. So I'm straightening up this one. I'll show you what I got. Okay, so here it is. Let me zoom out a little bit. And I got them in there. And I did, you know, I got some string lines, because these are fairly straight. So I went off of that. And I figured out where I wanted it this way. And all in all, I mean, they are garden beds. I'm not building a house here. They're pretty in. And what I wanted to do was have them the whole way back on this little barrier fence I have built. And the reason is I can access the bed from over here to work into here. So I don't need a walkway or anything over that way. And what I really want to do, back up here, maybe you can see the crooked. Yeah, this center bed right here is next year's plan to remove. And I'm thinking of putting, instead of 3 of the 3.5s, I'm going to put 2, I think they're 10-in-1s, and I'm only going to do them 2 feet. So that'll allow me space on both sides to get down with a wheelbarrow, because I can't get down that side with a wheelbarrow, because I just either hit that bed or I hit that bed. Now here you can see by moving them back, I gained a good bit of space, and I may actually be able to get in there with a wheelbarrow. I'll let you know that once I'm filling them. I gotta put a little backfill, and that good dirt that's in there, that good soil, I'm gonna spread that out. And then I'm gonna figure how we're gonna fill them. And I filled those ones over there 3 different ways, and I think I might fill these ones 3 different ways. But I gotta get a hold of my tree guy, who I get chips from, and I'm looking to get some fairly stout logs from one of them. And I like putting them in round like this. That was a neat way. I think I'm gonna do a chip one, and then I'm gonna do one with just tons and tons of scrap branches and stuff like that. Whew. Well, hey, this is just a quick update on the beds, but they're going in. I'm gonna do a little backfilling against them. I'm gonna start getting a plan together for filling them. And like I said, it's February. I did start some seeds yesterday. The 17th of February, I started some brassicas and some beets, and hopefully they get going. I'm gonna put them under the hoops, see if we can get some early cabbage. Cabbage moths get up and eat my stuff. But yeah, it's coming along. It's looking good. Fairly straight, fairly even. Like I said, it is garden beds. I'm not out here with laser levels and tamping stuff. But it works. Well, hey, if you made it this far, like, subscribe, share the videos around. I've got some pipe videos. I got some garden videos. I got some other videos. I appreciate it. My channel's kind of hitting neutral. It's not gaining any subscribers or views, and it's not doing much. Well, got more digging, got more shoveling, got more raking. Well, it's a good day. It's nice. It's good outside. It's warm outside. I say well and hey 8,000 times in a video. Well, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.